Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else.
Friends, welcome to another video on your channel Profit Equities. If you like our content, please don't forget to hit the like button. Also subscribe to our channel, click on the bell button and choose all notifications to receive important financial updates from our channel at the earliest. Now, the recent volatility in the market is providing many opportunities to invest in quality businesses at reasonable prices. In this video, we talk about one such company which has marquee clients, strong focus on research and development, robust order book, and which is available at very attractive valuations. Please watch this video to know more. Now, the company in question is Minda Corporation Limited, which is available at Rs 123.65 and the face value for it is 2. The symbol for it is MINDACORP. Now, Minda Corp posted an excellent Q1 FY19 performance led by strong growth in revenue and operating profit margin. In Q1 FY19, the company posted a 33.8% year-on-year jump in its net revenue on the back of additional income from greenfield projects and growth across business verticals. In terms of operating profitability, despite the significant rise in raw material prices, the company posted a year-on-year expansion of 177 basis points in its EBITDA margin. The margin expansion was predominantly due to a rich product mix, ramping up of greenfield projects, and higher operating leverage. Its profit after tax also grew by 90.3% on year, and its profit after tax margin expanded 125 basis points. Now, the Ashok Minda Group has around 30 customers in more than 20 countries. The group continues to capitalize on its global footprint and has many initiatives underway to increase the share of exports in its overall business. Minda Corp has secured business from a leading German Tier 1 company for the supply of compressor housing and from a German automaker for the supply of seat latches. It has also made inroads in the European electric vehicle segment and has secured business from a Dutch electric vehicle company. Now, this company also has a strong order book of around Rs 4,200 crores, which provides decent earnings visibility. During Q1 FY19, the company had received orders worth Rs 1,100 crores across its domestic and export businesses. Besides, the company has a well-diversified presence across business segments and products. This helps it de-risk itself from product or client concentration. To develop technologically advanced products, Minda Corp has established a technical center called the Spark Minda Technical Center at Pune. The fruits of this exercise are visible now. The company has secured orders for smart keys from Piaggio and Hero Motocorp and an order for both smart keys and locks from Honda Motorcycle and Scooters India. The upcoming implementation of Bharat Stage 6 norms is expected to augur well for Minda Corp, as it is expected to increase content per vehicle. The company is well positioned to take advantage of this. Now, Minda Corp has also acquired EI Labs for an enterprise value of Rs 6.5 crores, underscoring its focus on R&D and EVs. Apart from getting a prestigious order from EESL to supply mobility components for EVs in Q2 FY18, it also received an order from a Dutch EV manufacturer. Besides this, Minda Corp has recently raised Rs 310 crores through a qualified institutional placement of shares. The objective of this capital raising exercise is to go for acquisitions to further the company's growth. It may also use the amount raised to reduce some debt and to manage working capital. Amid volatility in the overall market, Minda Corp's stock price has corrected 45% from its 52-week high, making it quite attractively valued. It is now trading at 16.6 and 13.6 times its projected earnings for FY19 and FY20 respectively, which makes it a very attractive proposition. Now, friends, please don't consider this to be a recommendation on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all other content that you see on our channel is intended to be a piece of news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so.